Well, 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 another newcomer seeking purpose and adventure in our humble village. How utterly predictable.
Hey guys, in today's video we're going to take a quick look at the dialogue system and how easy it is to get set up. So as you can see here, I have a decoration that looks like an NPC, and I've created a script that is the exact same name as that decoration. So when I walk up to that decoration, I can now interact with it as an object. Now we'll ignore the audio that I've got put in here and we'll just look purely at the dialogue system for the virtual novel. So what I have set up here at the top is VN, which stands for virtual novel, and the number 1, which means it's activated. If you have 0, it means virtual novel is not activated. Now for the actual text side of things, all you need to do to get a dialogue is to type text, and then in your commas you put in the text that you want it to say. So every line is a new line of text. The first one will say, well, 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 another newcomer. Then when the player clicks, it will move to the next one where it says, seeking purpose and adventure in our humble village. And as you can see, for the introduction for my game Vanya, I have quite a few lines here. Now a bit further down we have a longer line, and you can see that there is a hashtag. The hashtag is essentially telling the engine to put everything after that on the next line down, so it can split up longer text over 2 lines instead of having one big long one. And it's pretty well as simple as that. Once you get through all of your text, you have a map return, and then it goes back to your game. If you don't have the map return there, you basically just get stuck in a frozen screen and you can't really go anywhere or do anything. You must have map return after your virtual novel. So the things to remember, make sure the decoration that you have it attached to is the same name as the script, or if you don't want to have it attached to a decoration, you can set it as a terminal as well, and you just have to select the right one. But for NPC interaction, having it as a decoration and naming the actual script the same as the decoration will allow you to use that decoration as an NPC. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.